Greetings and welcome once again to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel. So, there was once an old fool called Georg Cantor who thought he was very clever and noticed that if you take two sticks like that you can map these distances to the bigger stick. Okay. In other words, he noticed something that cartographers already knew. Okay. In other words, he noticed the concept of scaling. But Cantor thought he was brilliant. He thought he was an absolute genius mathematician. So he said, you know what? If they scale like that, then they have the same number of elements. In other words, they have the same number of distances. Well, that's clearly impossible because this short one here doesn't have this large distance. Scaling is not the same as having all the distances, okay? And of course, all his disciples were wretched morons like he was, like your mainstream math professor or your teacher, incorrigible imbeciles, producing more incorrigible imbeciles like you. Here's a poem that I wrote, and for this one, I'll have to admit I got ChatGPT to write it for me. But it's kind of a nice effort from ChatGPT. It says there once was a mad old man named Cantor who measured two sticks and thought himself clever. From big to small he claimed the scaling, yet doomed himself to a fatal failing. "Oh, look," he cried, with zeal unshaken, "the distances match. My truth is unshaken." He grinned and lied with boundless glee. For all such lengths are infinity. So, there's no such thing as A less zero. It's just a total garbage concept. Infinity is a garbage concept. Set theory is a garbage subject. Topology is a garbage subject. And by the way, we don't have to use set theory for probabilities either. So this is kind of misleading. But your idiot mainstream high priests like to do this sort of thing to convince you that there is some use for set theory. There isn't. It's not used anywhere in STEM or any field of science. It's 100% garbage. Don't do a math degree. Study mathematics on your own. Your mainstream math professors and teachers are absolute imbeciles. If you're not already a subscriber to my channel, become a subscriber. Follow me on academia.edu. Click like on my channels. Till next time, I'm John Gabriel, and this is New Calculus Channel. Goodbye.